Dometic knows space can be a concern when preparing for a trip. We also know cooling and freezing without ice can be a necessity. That is why we designed a full line of CFX-powered coolers ranging from an ultra-compact cooler to our dual-zone models. Regardless of cooler size, there are a handful of tips to optimize cooler performance and allow you the freedom to enjoy your adventures. Prior to departure, cool your CFX to the desired temperature by using your home's 110 AC outlet. This will lower energy consumption when the CFX is using your vehicle's DC power. If using DC to cool your CFX to the initial desired temperature, Dometic recommends adding cold food and drinks. These items will act as cooling agents, reducing energy consumption, and will help maintain internal temperatures efficiently. Press and hold the power button to turn on the CFX. Select temperature for the first zone by pressing Set once, and adjust the selection using the plus and minus buttons. Press Set a second time to adjust the temperature of the second zone. We recommend refrigerating at 38 degrees Fahrenheit and freezing at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Your display will return to the current internal temperature. However, your selection has been saved, and your CFX is now working toward your set temperature. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius, press Set 3 times, then use the plus and minus buttons to change the selection. Adjust the sensitivity of your battery protection system by pressing Set 4 times and choosing between low, medium, and high with the plus and minus buttons. To change the brightness of the display, press Set again, then adjust using the plus and minus buttons. Lastly, to activate the CFX Wi-Fi, press Set again and turn on or off using the plus and minus buttons. Our convenient wire baskets allow you to easily transport items to and from your CFX. And because it does not waste space with ice, a CFX-powered cooler offers 60% more internal storage space than a traditional ice cooler with the same exterior dimensions. For when vehicle space becomes a precious commodity, our durable powder-coated steel handles can be easily removed to obtain 2 more inches of packing space. Lastly, your CFX needs proper airflow to cool efficiently. Be sure to allow 2 inches of space around the vents for proper airflow. Now that you know how to outfit and pack your CFX-powered cooler, it is time to begin your trip.
The cooling function lowers the internal temperature approximately 36 degrees Fahrenheit below the ambient temperature, which makes it cold enough to store food when using it at room temperature. The heating mode brings the internal temperature to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It transfers heat energy between the top and the bottom of the lid using 40 watts of 12 volts DC. The inside of the lid has a fan to circulate cold or hot air. Inside the cable compartment has the mode/power switch. The lid has an O-ring to help keep the unit efficient. The cable on this unit has a long reach, which allows you to keep it anywhere in your vehicle's cabin. The lid removes and installs quickly so you can wash it out easily. For solo trips, I keep the cooler on the passenger floor. If someone's riding shotgun, they can be set in the back seat area. On the day-to-day, I keep water in it so that I can keep hydrated while I'm on duty. It's plenty of room for 2 100-ounce bladders and a 64-ounce Nalgene, along with snacks and other food that needs to be cold.